emission and pollution, the resultant pollution.
Deputy Chief Minister Sngau Bahalang Dhar informed the Assembly today that the proposed government land for a landfill site at Maukanu is located 18 kilometers from the new Meghalaya Secretariat. The project will require 100 to 150 acres of land. While no specific department has been assigned to the project yet, Dhar emphasized that the government is still in the planning stage and will make a decision on the matter at the appropriate time.
Speaker, sir. Reply to Star Question 99. A. Sir, the distance from the new Meghalaya Secretariat to the government land at Maukanu is 10 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, sir, presently we haven't decided to allot to any department, but yes, we plan as government and decision will be taken in the right times.